to me based off the certifications that I got. Okay. So now I have to get in my mind, well, Travis, you don't know a god thing about air. So in someone's mind, they're saying, well, you're about to be a pass-through, because if you get the contract, you got to sub everything out to somebody else and they got to execute all the work. That's a pass-through. If I was to go get a contract, I don't know anything about it. I win the contract and then I come over to company A and I say, hey, company A, can you do all the work? Company A like, yeah, we'll go ahead and knock it out the park for you. This is what we're going to be doing, blah, 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 blah. Now the government pays me and I just pass the money through me. The government pays me $100,000 a month. I just pass through $85,000 to the other company.